I'm Sarah Jacob. I'm an associate professor here at Bucks. I teach in the Department of Social and Behavioral Sciences. I teach both sociology and criminal justice courses, and I'm the coordinator of the criminal justice area. I've been teaching at Bucks for more than 10 years. I hold a bachelor's degree in sociology from Brandeis University, a master's degree in sociology from Temple University, and I also hold my law degree from CUNY School of Law at Queens College. We have a long list of majors in our program. Students can earn their associate degree in criminal justice, in education, paraprofessional instructional assistant, secondary education in history, education pre-K through grade 4, history, psychology, social science, and social work. And we also offer a wonderful certificate program in historic preservation. Our faculty at Bucks, we're passionate about what we do. All of us hold a minimum of a master's degree in our field, with several holding doctorate degrees. Many of our faculty are currently working in the field while they are teaching our courses. This way, students can get real-world experience right through our faculty. Our class sizes here at Bucks are small. That enables us to get to know our individual students. In many of our degree programs in our department, we also offer an internship course. Students can obtain an internship of their choice while simultaneously earning course credit. And we also have a very excellent extracurricular activities program here at Bucks. This enables students not only to learn in the classroom, but to learn, share knowledge, and get involved in our Bucks community outside of the classroom. I hope you can join us. If you see me around, say hi, or if you see me on Zoom, say hi.